A lot of people say, well, am I too young? Am I too young for an annuity? Well, no, of course not. There are certain ages, just to be super transparent, that annuity companies will not take you, okay? Hey, welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. I'm your host, John Stevenson, and today we're going to be talking about millennials. Are annuities for millennials? Should a millennial get an annuity? It depends. I mean, what are you looking for? Are you looking for growth? Or are you looking for a contractual income? Or are you looking for maybe a better rate than you're getting in your bank account? Okay, there's just lots of different reasons for getting an annuity. And if you're a millennial, typically 35 years old is really the start date that they will start approving you for an annuity. So if you've got $100,000 and you want to throw it into one of these, you typically have to be 35 years old or older. Something to think about. And here's the thing, here's the reason why, is these annuities, they're contracts and they're really built for single premium. Usually people will put a lump sum into these contracts. And a lot of times these contracts will earn a roll-up rate, meaning like maybe they'll give you a 7% guaranteed rate for so many years. Okay, and then they will multiply a 6 or 7% times your account value. So if your account value is $100,000 and it grows to $300,000 from a 7% roll-up rate, then they're going to multiply a 6.5 or 7 or whatever that withdrawal rate is. They're going to multiply that by your account value, which at that point might be $300,000. Okay, and again, when I'm talking about account value from roll-up rates, I'm talking about an account value that is guaranteed for income purposes. Okay, so there's a difference between that and the raw account that's actually earning interest that you can withdraw if you want to surrender your policy, which I would not recommend if you're going to do an annuity and surrender it real quick. Don't do that because there's surrender charges. But anyways, so if you're a millennial and you've got money sitting on the sidelines, I would say typically $100,000 or more, contact me. I'll show you all of the annuities that are out there. I'll show you the highest paying ones. I'll show you the highest guaranteed rates, and then I'll show you the highest participation rates in the indexes for the fixed index annuities, the ones that are paying outrageous amounts right now. Right now, the participation rates in the index are around 150% or more. That's not like that all the time. So you've got to look for companies that will actually give you a decent rate of growth. But again, it really comes down to the purpose of your annuity, okay? If the purpose of your annuity is to give you some guarantees later in life, okay, guarantees for your retirement, especially when you don't know what the market's going to do with your other accounts that are exposed to risk, then annuities are great. Because, for me and my wife, what we're doing, our plan is we, buy a small annuity each year, okay? And we just stack it. We'll buy one this year and then buy one next year and just keep on going. We know at a certain point, 25 years from now, we might turn on that income. And I really don't care what the account balance is at that point, because I'm going to have a guaranteed income that I'll never be able to outlive. And my wife won't be able to either. So that's what I love, is if my investments go south, I'm okay, because I've got my income from, however many annuities I may have, and they're paying out. It's like owning a bunch of pensions, right? It's kind of like Social Security. Social Security is a guaranteed pension. Okay, it's the same thing with annuities. They're guaranteed. If you want me to look at it, let me know. I monitor hundreds of these every day, and I'm happy to help you out. I'm not going to try to sell you anything, but it would probably make sense to book a call with me and see if there's any of these that make sense for you. So until next time.